Okay, so what I'm trying to do is just replace the metal that was missing with this little piece here and TIG weld that in. What? Not going on there. Okay, so normally the spot welder works really good if it's 2 plies of metal. This has 3, with the third one being the new piece here. I'm having some trouble sticking it, so I'm just gonna TIG weld this thing on. I don't have TIG welding gloves here.
Yeah.
I'm talking to the camera. Oh, the pedal. The wah pedal.
Wall with the wall.
Okay, the driver's side was a little bit easier. Turned out a little better. I'll grind this down in a minute. And then I think we just have to cut all these. There's a bunch of funk in here. I'm gonna cut all that out so it's just all nice virgin metal. Do you have the black drill bit box somewhere? I mean the red one? The black bits?
Top of the toolbox.
Top of the toolbox. Alright.
That one's up. Someone puts it.
Okay, so I've got them all snugged up. Again, these are probably supposed to go on the body, but since the body's in such bad shape, I think it's easier to deal with if you get the head of the bolt from the inside of the trunk. Okay, so now that I got the bolts out, and the trunk on, I'm just gonna mark these and try to cut away all the crust on the inside, and so I get these bolts to go somewhere. Hey, Chris. Hey, Chris, you here? Or are you in the middle of something? Oh, you're in the middle of something. Oh, I can get it. This is light. It's crashing down on my head.
We have a soldering wheel.
I don't know if we have one here or not. We might. Maybe the electrical tote. Oh, wrong hole. Okay, there it is. Still got some. This thing is all over the place. Probably have to put a 2x4 in here and push this thing down to get that. But hey, this is huge. I've just been looking at this thing forever and having it not work. So here it is. It's got hinges. This is pretty neat. There's the rest of the car. There's a big Triumph here. Sheet metal. And the old flathead engine. Someday, right?